Hello, how is everybody doing today? This video will be a little bit different from my previous ones because here I will tell you how to be successful at investing. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first rule of successful investing is focusing on long term. And yeah, taking into account that short-term moves don't matter. Maybe you have bought some stock or Bitcoin and later checking back in eToro every 5 minutes to see whether the price has gone up and what has happened. And this is really like a mistake most of new investors make. So that you need to like rise above and see where this asset will be in a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, or even 10 years from now, and focus on that and not like just daily moves or 1 minute moves or stuff like that. So that's the first rule. Second rule, buy before majority of other traders get in. So this applies to all assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies and metals and whatever. So you can't just like see one day, oh, this asset went up yesterday by 20%. I'm gonna buy this today because yeah, maybe tomorrow it will go up by 20% again. That's not how it happens. You should have been in the market already before this first 20% gain happened. My fourth bullet point is dollar cost averaging. What does it mean? It means that when you receive your salary, for example, at 10th day of every month, you allocate a particular sum of money uh, which you pay in eToro and uh, buy an asset like every month. So, for example, if you choose to invest $100 every month, then in April you buy, for example, Bitcoin for $10,000. You put these $100 when Bitcoin is at 10,000. Then in May the price drops to, I don't know, $7,000. Then you put your next $100 in Bitcoin again at this lower price. And in June the price is $8,000 and you put your money again and so on. So as time passes by, your dollar cost averaging in the asset and as it appreciates in value, also your portfolio grows. The fifth advice is copy me on eToro, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And it it's not mentioned here, but you can also add me to watchlist in eToro to track my stats and so that I can prove to you that I'm a profitable trader.